Sanjay Dutt for Agnipath because I never expected him to see that way, and it was really nice to see him in a absolutely different avatar.
I think it's Bob Biswas. I was actually scared when I saw his part in the movie.
Maybe Rishi Kapoor for Agnipath, because his roles, which have been positive also for other films, he can play the same way as negative also, which have been very good.
I like Bob Biswas from Kahani because when you look at him, he's like so simple, so nice. You don't expect him to kill you, and then he suddenly like poof.
Yeah, I really like Bob Biswas from Kahani because he really portrayed it sweetly and also showed the villainous in a proper way. So I think Bob Biswas for the perfect villain.
Now the latest best villain who's come into the industry, Bollywood industry from the south is Prakash Raj from Dabangg 2. So I'm sure no one can beat him.
Prakash Raj. He is a really good actor compared to all of them.
Sanjay Dutt, Agnipath, he really acted well. Like the way he came out with all those tattoos and stuff, it got the movie like gave a better effect to it.
Bob Biswas for Kahani because he's just too cool. Yeah, like he's the star. The way he's just too cool. The way he pushes them and he's all like namaste and all, it's damn cool.
Bob Biswas because he's really nice acting. Like for the first movie, it's too good, and I mean it was such a simple role, but he did it like. It was amazing.
I like Bob Biswas from Kahani. He was jolly, like he gave me the creeps when I was watching the movie. Like especially the scene where he's pushing her off the railway tracks. Yeah, that was damn scary.
Bob Biswas for Kahani because he was simply amazing, and I think it's his character that brought life to the movie and that kept you there on the seat.
I like Prakash Raj and I loved him in Singham. Dabangg 2, I'm not so sure about it, but I like him as a villain.
I like Sanjay Dutt from Agnipath. His role was very dreadful and very horrifying.
I like Bob Biswas from Kahani because he's acted very well in the film. The best villain I think should go to Bob Biswas because I don't think anyone else could have done a better role, better appearance than him in that movie.
I like Prakash Raj from Dabangg 2. It's like the film was good, but like he one more star for him. He is like really good actor. I like him. I really like him genuinely.
I like Prakash Raj because I think he has a good actor in him.
I really like Sanjay Dutt from Agnipath. He was pretty scary.
I think it would be Bob Biswas because I watched Kahani and I love the movie and I love his acting basically because it was so natural. Like you don't know what will happen next. Like I just loved him for the movie.
This is what public has to say, but what do you think? Post in your comments on youtube.com/BollywoodNow and facebook.com/BollywoodNow videos. In Mumbai with cameraman Kamaldeep Singh, this is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.